How to call for help using the Locator 911 app. Move the Locator 911 app next to your existing phone icon. This is so in the event you need to call 911, the app is easily found. Now keep this in mind. Your call for help must be made using the Locator 911 app for the bulb to work as intended. If you do not use the Locator app to make your call, you can still activate the bulbs manually by opening the app and pressing the Master Alarm button on the alarm page of the app. Now let's open the app and you will see a large red Dial 911 button in the center of your screen. Press this button to get to the dial pad. When the dial pad appears, simply press 911 and hit Call. For this video, I'm using our test phone and also using the number 901 for an example. As you can see, as soon as the call button was pressed, the Locator bulb immediately started its emergency flash pattern and all connected bulbs will flash as well. The app will send you a push notification telling you that the Locator has been activated and gives you a choice to deactivate or not. Never deactivate the bulbs until help arrives. We will select Off for this video. As you can see, the bulb stopped its flash pattern as soon as the command was given through the push notification. Thanks so much for watching this short video, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos here on our website. And just remember, when mere seconds count, be visible and be found with the Locator.